Alrighty, it is I, Manong Jireh. We're gonna react to a music video, mga kaunggoy. Toni Fowler, X Makagago, FF, MadflowMusic, mga kaunggoy. Ano yung sabihin ng FF, mga kaunggoy? What does that mean? What does that mean? So yeah, gawa ito ng Vloggers TV or something. Trending kasi ito eh. And pag trending, may views. And pag may views, ad revenue. Alright? It's all about the ad revenue. They're mago. Let's react to this video, shall we?
MadflowMusic.
Oh my god, is that a real snake? Gumamit talaga sila ng ahas? Oh! Directed by the man himself.
Bitch sa peke, ang dami mong dada. Isampal ko kaya ang suso ko sa iyong mukha.
Okay, there goes my monetization, mga kaunggoy. This video is officially demonetized.
Let's get some pussy tonight.
Wala nang intro. Demonetize na agad tong video na ito. Doon pa lang. Oh my god. Wala na, finish na. We're in the end game now. End game na talaga yung monetization. What's the point of this video anymore? That's not family friendly, pero yeah, let's keep on going. Wala na yun.
Ako ang nagbuhat sa tonelada mong yan. Itanggi mo bangungot yan sa'yo, like Rico yan.
Okay. We got some Japanese genre going here. Di ba pag Japanese may blurred? Yeah, goodbye monetization. Hindi na monetize tong video na ito.
Kung ibinalik, kasinungalingan at pagkatao mo na fake. Sisiraan mo sa tao kasi di mo yan matik. Dating BFF mo na ngayon ay hate na hate. Akala mo naman kakabahan sa ganyan. Manggagamit ka ng tao para kang si Mary Ann. Umalis ka.
Who's Marian? Who the fuck is Marian? Okay, meron silang issue and whatever.
At nanila tatay ang dinahilan. Yung palalakwat siya, bungangay na sa tiyan.
Oh, it's the unicorn. Sino ulit yun yung ka-issue niya, yung unicorn? This music video is a diss track, Mago. Okay, I know what FF means. FF means fake friends.
Kamusta dog food? Patay gutom ka na't parati pang nakaluhod.
I like the cinematography, mga kaunggoy. Yung production ng buong music video. Ang problema ko lang, hindi na ako monetized after nito. Age restricted! Based on community guidelines. I guess YouTube has a problem with this.
Sa pulsa pera ko nakasahod. Karma isa bitch, buhay ka Panginoon. Tingnan mo to, 5 taon mo na trabaho to. Dapat meron ka nito, kaso pineke mo ko. Likod ko tumatagas na dahil sa saksak mo. Buti na lang nakilala ka tao na nagkapekean mo. Fake friends.
The song though, catchy or whatever, lalo na dun sa fake friends na sinasabi pa ulit-ulit or something. Also, I like the, alam niyo yun, yung symbolism ng snake, meaning fake. Alam niyo yun, yung ahas, snake. I like the bling though. Yung ginamit nila mga bling. Wait lang, ngayon na yun? Ba't parang ang bilis? That was fast. Okay, nagets ko yung mga symbolism from the unicorn. Alam ko nagkaroon siya ng beef sa isang YouTuber na pangalan, basta may unicorn sa pangalan nila or whatever. Yung kay Makagago with the, nagsabi siya ng dog food or whatever sa lyrics niya. Hindi ko alam kung sino pinapatamaan niya doon. Okay, nagigets ko na yung mga symbolism sa loob ng music video. Ang hindi ko lang gets na symbolism is all the skin showing though. Showing a bunch of skin, mago! God forgive me for I have sinned. The lighting and the editing though, ang nanotice ko lang medyo is the, bakit kay Toni Fowler, yung production niya is, wow, they really used the snake. Wow, they really used this venue. Wow, they used this. Wow, they added smoke. Wow, they used this background. Pero bakit pagdating kay Makagago, it's all green screen? Bakit hindi parang balanse? Yung parang production shit, puro green screen. I got nothing wrong with the green screen, pero bakit puro green screen kay Makagago? Yung mga animal rights activists dito, mga kaunggoy, wala ba silang problema dito? Like, they use the real snake. Behind the music video is the production team. Hey! Production crew! So you see here, mga kaunggoy, dito sa production crew, Ricky De Roque, Nathan Soalivio, Kirizama and Rick G is part of the credits here, Mago. This is the highlight of the video. And si Kirizama and Rick G is part of the production crew, which means G Plana Squad is part of the production crew here, Mago. It's a good sign, mga kaunggoy. Alam nyo kung bakit? Kasi yung mainstream YouTube or whatever they call it, imagine nyo, mainstream YouTube thingy is the Krusty Krab. Tapos kaming G Plana Squad, yung parang mga slime na sumisip through the walls of the Krusty Krab. Lumulusot na kami papasok sa mga sikat na YouTubers, mga kaunggoy. We're forcing ourselves in, mga kaunggoy. And we ain't gonna stop until we're in. It could have been longer, the music video, like pinahaba nila, dinagdagan nila. Maybe add a few more lines or repeat some part of it. Nakaka-LSS or something. Ayun lang masabi ko dito. And that's the bottom line because Manong Jireh said so.